What's up, everyone? It's me, Adam Prime, and I'm back with another SG or Candy Toy Raise Buckle review. We got the next set, set 4, right here, which contains Propeller, which you can see Geats using Propeller. You can use it with Boost. You can see all the other ones on the back, like that. On the top is just Geats, on the bottom. And next up we got Agito. I don't remember what his driver is called, but I guess I'm going to find out in a little bit. Got Blade, like that. So yeah, there's that one. Got Agito Lumen with Geats in the background. Next up is Blade, which is just the Blade buckle, if I remember correctly. I don't remember. Man, it's been so long, I for whatever reason, can't remember their things. I know Hibiki's belt really isn't his transformation device, it's his tuning fork. So, you know. You get the raised buckle, you get the thing on the side, get the contents. Oh, same old, same old. Blade is Lumen there, too. Same goes for Hibiki. Hibiki's on the top, thing on the side. Boop, boop. And that's pretty much it. Another standard set. And if you got the Gashapon set 3, these 3 buckles were all in it. So if you got Gashapon 3, the only thing that is missing from those rider buckles is Gaim. Gaim is the only exclusive one to that set with this here. There's no exclusive things to the Candy Toy set with this one. Like, because you can get these in Gashapon. So if you have a full Gashapon set, skip this. But I missed Gashapon 3, so I'm glad I have these buckles because I do like all 3 of these riders. But I'm just like, God, now all I have to do is track down Gaim. God, it's gonna be a pain in the butt to try to track down Gaim. It's gonna be like having to track down demons in from Gashapon 1. I can't find any, even on like Mandarake and stuff. But let's get these open and we'll see what they do in the desired driver. And here are all of the buckles. But to start with, we obviously have 4 pieces of candy. They shall be consumed later. So let's start off with the Propeller buckle. It is exactly the same as the one in the DX set. So now you truly do not have to buy the Propeller drill set, because now you can get Propeller here. So if you really don't want to buy the DX, you don't have to. Obviously the same numbers. Good, they're both 15. Now let's try just using a double Propeller in the desired driver. I don't know why it's just fighting me. Okay. And there's that. And we'll not see the Propeller for the rest of the review. If you want to see what else the Propeller buckle can do, go check out the drill video. The drill Propeller set video. And you can see what it can do. So let's start seeing what these can do. And we're going to start off with the Agito belt. Again, I for the life of me can't remember the name. And it has such nice detailing and everything. Even stuff that's not in the sticker, but I like that they put like the little spinny part in the eye there. I think that looks pretty good. Nicely detailed. Got the yellowish gold and black. Very Agito colors. And you can flip it so we can face either way. So let's start it up. Up. Altering, okay. Yo. Nice. Let's use it with Fies. Yeah. There we go. And I do like Agito's little jingle. It's not a lot. It's just kind of like almost like a rev, but I don't know, it's fun. Let's use Decayed with Agito next. Okay, right. There we go. Alright. Let's move on to the boost buckle. And there's that. Let's move on to the next buckle, which is... I almost did it in the wrong order. We got Blade, which looks really good. They etched in all the detailing, especially the little card and the spade. But yeah, there's that. Got the navy blue and silver, Blade signature. Nice blue. Yep. Yeah. Man, early Heisei jingles were really quick. And I appreciate that. Oh no. Oh, jeez. It slipped out of my hand and just flew right off the table. Also, I don't remember if I showed it off, but this is number 47. Alright, let's use Blade with the Deno. couldn't remember if I actually did that earlier. But let's bring back the Fies driver. Next up, we have the, let's see, bring back the boost buckle. There we go. And in case I forgot to show it, Blades is 44. And now we got Hibiki. And Hibiki is one of my favorite riders, so I'm so happy to have this. I love the metallic purple and the nice crimson red. The belt looks really good, even though this isn't his transformation device, as I said earlier. But yeah, it's pretty cool. So yeah, let's get right to the sound. Ooh. Shit. Yeah, buddy. Hell yeah. I love that. I love that a lot. Alright, let's use it with Agito. I'm realizing I don't think I did a Hibiki strike. We'll come back. Now let's use it with Blade. Yeah. Alright. Let's use it with... let's use it with the O's buckle. Oh, wait. Oh, I already did that. And, let's use Forze. pretty much it. Let's use it with the boost buckle. Alright. And that's pretty much it for these buckles. Overall, I think this was a really fun set. And they're really fun buckles because I really do like all of these riders' sounds, honestly. It's so simple, but I do love that they're baked into the Desire Driver. This is, if you didn't get Gashapon Set 2 like me, I can say an easy recommend. But if you got Gashapon 3, skip this. You already have them. You can skip it. This is what's here. It's nothing exclusive, nothing new. You can keep walking. But what do you guys think? What is your favorite of these 3 buckles? I gotta give it to Hibiki. I love Hibiki. So, thank you so much for watching. And until whatever I do next, bye.